5-5, standard form. Standard form has x and y in it, but it also has numbers. So constants are numbers, and that's a, b, and c. So a is a number being multiplied to x, b is a number being multiplied to y, and c is just a number that it's equal to. So to use the standard form, we look for the x and the y intercept. And I'm going to do number 6 because I have enough room on the paper to do both the x and the y intercept. So if I make x 0, so that wipes it out altogether. The only thing left is 7y is equal to 11. So I divide both sides by 7, and my y-intercept is at 11/7. And then I rewrite the equation again. But this time I'm going to make y 0 because I want to find out where x is at. So I have negative 2x is equal to 11, and I divide both sides by negative 2. The negatives cancel, the 2's cancel, x is equal to 11/2, negative 11/2. So that's my two intercepts, my y-intercept and my x-intercept. And that's what the standard form helps us to find easily. If we wipe out, make x 0, it just wipes it out. So all we have to do is divide by this number. But if we're looking for the x-intercept, we make y 0. And then we find out what x is. So my y-intercept, x we made 0, and that 11/7 is where y is. So when we made y 0, x was at negative 11/2. For number 7, it says draw a line with the given intercepts. So my intercept is at x is at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right on 4, I'm going to put a dot because the line crosses there. Y-intercept is at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to cross at the 5. And so I just need to draw my line right through those 2 points. For number 10, now they're giving us the equation. It says graph each equation using the x and the y intercepts. So I need to make x 0. So when x is 0, y equals negative 10. That one was easy to do. So now I'm going to make y 0. So now I have negative 5x is equal to negative 10. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. X is equal to 2. So x is 2 when y is 0. So now I can graph it. So 0, x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my point on the y-axis. So x, 1, 2. There's my point on the x-axis. And then I just draw my line right through those 2 points. On the back side of your paper, it says write each equation in standard form using integers. So we cannot use fractions. So I am going to work on number 26. So I know I need to add 3 to both sides. So y is equal to 7/9 x, because I'm distributing, negative 7/9 x, minus 7 times 4 is 28/9 plus 3. Okay, I want to get rid of that 9 in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply everybody by 9. So 9 times y is 9y equals negative 7x, because these two 9's cancel. So minus, the 9's cancel again, 28 plus 3. So now I can combine these two, and I could see that's negative 25 and I need it in standard form, so I need x and y both on the same side. So I am going to add 7x to both sides. So I have 7x plus 9y equals negative 25. Now I'm in standard form. Number 28. For each graph, find the x and y intercept, then write an equation in standard form using integers. So I can't have fractions in my equations, and in standard form means x and y is both on the same side of the equal sign. Okay, so I need my x and my y intercept, so I need to make y 0. So when y is 0, it crosses the x-axis at 3. So when x is 0, it crosses the y-axis at negative 2. So there I have my x and my y intercepts. Now I need to write an equation in standard form. So I need my slope. So my slope is equal to rise over run. So my run, I'm going to run over here. I have to run 3 and rise 2. So my slope is 2/3. Now I can write my equation. So I have a point and a slope, so I'm going to use the point slope form. Y minus 0 equals the slope 2/3 and x minus 3. So x minus 0, so y is by itself, and I have 2/3 x minus 3 times 3, or sorry, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so those 3's cancel out, so 2 is left. But I don't want to have any fraction, so I want to get rid of it already. So I'm going to multiply everybody, and we can do it this way too. Everyone gets multiplied by 3. So 3y, the 3's cancel in this one, 2x minus 6. So now I want to move my x to the side y is on, because I need to have it in standard form. So I'm going to minus 2x from both sides. So I have minus 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. There's my standard form, and they're all in integers. Okay, number 30. Find the x and y intercept of the line that passes through the given points. So I need to find my slope. So I'm going to use my formula. And my slope is negative 2. So slope is equal to negative 2. So with my slope, I'm going to pick one of the points, y minus a negative 2. My slope x minus 4. And now I need to distribute my negative 2. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Now I'm going to put it in standard form, so I need to add 2x to both sides of the equation. So I have 2x plus y is equal to 6. And so if I make x 0, y is 6. If I make y 0, x is 3. So there's my x and y intercept.